Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to get proof of name change. So how you can prove that you have changed your name? Well, there could be so many legal documents where you can show and give a proof that you change your name. Such as, first of all, the first one is a marriage certificate. Right, so if your name change was due to marriage, obtain a certificate copy of your marriage certificate from the court clerk or vital records office where the marriage license was issued. The second thing is divorce decree. If your name change was a part of divorce, get a certificate copy of the divorce decree from the court that handled the divorce. The third thing is court order. So if you have got something, for example, for other legal document changes, obtain a certificate copy of the court order the approved your name change from the court where the name was granted. Now here comes the step 3. First of all, you have to make sure that the complete form of SS5, right? So you have to fill up this form, which is basically you can get the socialsecurity.gov. Just type Google on Google form SS5 and you will get this application for the social security card. Now this is a form and you can just go through it and you can just read it out. Provide proof of the name change, marriage certificate, which I have gave you all the examples here. Now you have to complete the, submit the completed form and require documents to your local SSA office in person or by mail. You will receive a new social security with your updated name, which serves as a proof of your name change. Visit your state department of motor vehicle DMV with your current driving license or ID proof of your name change and other required documents. After that, you have to complete form which is called DS11, that's for passport. Just go to Google and search for DS11 and you will get this a form. You have to fill up this again, right? Just go for a renewal, right? So here, as you can see here, the form is available here and this is that form. You have to fill up this. After that, notify other agencies and organizations. So banks and financial institute, basically your employer, utilities and service. Keep multiple copies of the documents which you have, maintaining original documents, and that's it. So these are I have gave you a complete guide how you can do so. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.